Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. If you're diving into the world of Solana and need to move your tokens from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just refreshing your skills, let's get started. First, ensure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with some Solana in it and a Phantom Wallet installed on your phone or browser. If you don't have Phantom yet, download it from the App Store or their official website. It's free and user-friendly. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and find your Solana balance. It's usually listed prominently, so it should be easy to spot. Step 2. Click on the Solana asset and select the Send or Withdraw option. This will open a form where you need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Before you do that, switch over to your Phantom Wallet. Open the app, go to your wallet overview, and tap on the Receive button for Solana. Copy the wallet address displayed. Make sure it's for Solana to avoid any errors. Now, back on Coinbase, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, but be mindful of any minimum amounts or network fees. Solana transactions are fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Step 3. Double-check all the details, address, amount, and fees, to prevent mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button and approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Finally, head back to your Phantom Wallet and refresh it. Your Solana should appear shortly. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your tokens. A quick tip. Always verify wallet addresses and use secure networks to protect your assets. If you encounter any issues, check the help sections on both platforms. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.